friend, I am fine and I know that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is honesty is the best policy. First of all, you subscribe my channel, put on the nice comment and press bell icon. Thank you, friend. Friends, there was a woodcutter. He was cutting a tree at the bank of a stream. By chance, he slipped from the tree and his axe fell into the stream. It was great loss for him. He began to weep. Suddenly, the mercury appeared. He asked the woodcutter, "Why are you weeping?" The woodcutter told him the whole story. The mercury took pity on him. He dived into the water. He brought a golden axe. He said to the woodcutter, "Is it yours?" The woodcutter said, "It is not mine." The mercury dived again. He brought a silver axe this time. He said to the woodcutter, "Is it yours?" The woodcutter said, "No, it is not mine." The mercury dived again. He brought an iron axe. He said to the woodcutter, "Is it yours?" The woodcutter said, "Yes, it is mine." The mercury was pleased with his honesty. He gave him all the 3 axes as a reward for honesty. Moral: honesty is the best policy. So, dear friend, how do you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. Bye friends. We will meet in the next video.